a very simple going person, and he met with him when he was a thief. His age was only 15 years, and he is boasting about himself that he is having good hand in this thievery, and his personality was very good. To whom he met, he was Anil. Fine. And for his purpose, he was a simple going person. I hadn't had much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. And it did not take me more time, and I was easily in confidence of Anil. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself. I appreciate him in the manner, and I said that you are looking like a wrestler yourself. When I said this, a little flattery helps in making friends. And he's also telling one thing, that if someone is going to flatter, he can get good opportunity. Flattery can help a person to make friend also. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly. I said with the respect. Flattery, excessive and insincere praise. The praise means appreciation, and modesty means in an assuming manner. So I felt quite assumed. It was quite. I said modestly within assuming manner. I said I do wrestle a bit. That I am also somehow a sort of wrestler person. What's your name? Hari Singh. I lied. When Anil asked that tell me your name, so I told him my name is Hari Singh, but this was not my real name. I lied means I tell a lie. I took a new name every month. It was in his habit, as he was a thief, so he used to take new name. That keep me ahead of the police and my former employees. I am changing my names because it is helping me to be separate from my former employees, and to be separate from the police officials. After this introduction, Anil talked about and well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, fighting, and throwing each other about. So, me grunting means make a low or some sound. Those who are making some song. So I and he is discussing about this and watching this, and I did not have much to say. I don't have more content with myself which I can speak to him. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Anil started walking, and I also followed Anil. Hello again, he said. He said to me once again, hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. And when he said to me, hello, so I gave him the smile which was quite attractive. Appealing in the sense attractive here. I want to work for you, I said, but I cannot pay you. I requested to Anil that I just want to work for you. I just want to serve you, but I cannot pay you. This line was spoken by Anil, that I am unable to pay you enough money. I am not in the condition to give you money. I am helpless. I cannot give you. Then, when he denied that he is unable to pay any money, I thought that over for a minute. So, thief is telling that I thought now my work is not going to be done. But perhaps I had has misjudged my man. I think I could not judge him properly. I asked, "Can you feed me?" I asked just simple question. Can you provide me food? Feed me means can you provide me food? So another question asked by Anil. Can you cook? Means are you able to cook food? I can cook. I lied again. I spoken to him that I will cook for you, but this was also once again a lie. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. If you are able to prepare some food, so I can permit you to come with me and I can feed you too. He took me in respect of his cooking, he will be provided food. That's all. And thief want to work for Anil, so Anil was ready to give him only food in respect to his job. He took me to his room over a Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. He told me that I am residing here. It was just above to Jamna Sweets shop, and he told that you are supposed to sleep in this balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. And the Miss meal I prepared, the food I prepared, it was very awkward. Balcony, balcony, the place enclosed with the wall that is called balcony. So yeah, so it was nearby the. He told me to stay there in balcony, and the food I cooked there that time, it was means very terrible. It was tasteless because he himself was unable to cook food. So how he can cook a good food? And the means it is being proved by this that Anil has given this food to the stray dogs. Stray dogs means the street dogs. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way. In the same attractive way, I was smiling, smiling, and smiling, and he couldn't, and he could not help laughing. Later, he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind." Then he uh, lifted his hand and placed on my head. He patted twice or thrice on my head and said, "No problem. Never mind this thing." He would teach me cook. And he said that he must tell that how to cook food. It was being said by the Anil that you are unable to prepare food. So don't worry. I must tell you, I must let you know how to prepare a food, how to cook food. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentence and to add numbers. First, he taught me how to write my name. Later on, he said that he will teach me to write sentences also. Fine. And after that, I will be learning numbers, how to add numbers. I was grateful. I was feeling happy. Uh, I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. If I will be working as a person who is learned, so my achievement will not be restricted. I can achieve everything in my life that I was thinking on that time. I could achieve everything. It was a quite pleasant working for Anil. I was feeling happy to work for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. All the requirements in the morning I was preparing tea, and for entire day what the things are required I was purchasing them, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day, and every day I was able to earn at least 1 rupee. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. I was earning by that, I am earning some money from that, but he never mind about this. He was always focused on himself. Even he was knowing this that what I am doing, but he never bother about this.